What is smart matched betting? Matched betting is a technique that allows you to make guaranteed money from free bets that bookmakers offer their customers. Unlike traditional gambling, luck doesn't come into it, as you cover both the positive and negative outcomes of an event, so you make profit no matter what happens. That sounds too good to be true, I hear you cry. It isn't. Bookmakers want to entice customers with attractive offers, and the technique of matched betting uses mathematical calculations to remove risk and guarantee profit. So how does it work? We start with a list of offers that Smart Matched Betting compiles and updates for you every day. Select an offer, for example bet £10 get a £30 free bet. The first step is the back bet. Go to the bookmaker website and place £10 on the event Smart Matched Betting tells you, for example Red Rum to win the 3 p.m. at Ascot. Return to Smart Matched Betting, and continue the wizard. The exact amount to bet against your back bet will be calculated and placed for you automatically. It's as simple as that. No matter the outcome of the event, you will break even, as you have bet both for and against the winner. What you just completed is known as the qualifier, and it will earn you a free bet. Now we simply repeat the process. But this time you are not placing real money, so you keep the profit. Smart Matched Betting makes the whole process fast, easy, and safe. The wizard automates most of the steps, does all the maths, and reduces the risk of human error.